Stepping inside one of our award-winning model homes is where the fun really begins. You'll be able to see the latest architectural trends firsthand and the different ways to customize your home. See why we received more than 20 National Association of Home Builders Gold and Silver Awards for our model homes.
I would recommend anybody to go to a model home, to see it and experience it. That's really the selling point for us.
And as soon as we walked in that one, we knew it was it. That's the only one we went through.
You know, going from house to house all the time and looking at the ideas, I still have several pictures of photos that I've taken from just walking around the houses.
Our model homes exist for our customers to experience the quality of our homes and see all the benefits of a new home. Every builder says they build a quality product. It's another thing to show the quality and see the quality and experience it, because that's what customers can expect in their home and hold us accountable. It's the same quality that you see in our model homes every day. Our design studios and model homes make the home building process easy. We put them right on the highway so everyone can get to them. Our website has 3D tours and visualization tools so you can see our floor plans from all over the country, all brought to life for you to interact with and picture yourself living in. Your home will have your vision and will be a place for you to express yourself in ways you never expected.